Hi everyone, we have the new OnePlus 70 Frosted Silver Edition with us, and I know you have seen lots of OnePlus 70 unboxing as of now, but all of them were glacier blue color, and here I'm going to show you Frosted Silver Edition. So in this video I'll be showing you how the OnePlus 70 Silver variant looks like, and after that I'll be telling you why I have bought this OnePlus 70. Yes, to start with, I have gathered all the tools I can for opening this packaging, but guess what, we have got something new over here. This is going to be the new unboxing experience from the OnePlus, where we don't need any such tool to open the box. Let's go open the box now. As you can see, we get all the standard content from the box except the 3.5mm gel, which is the most expected one, and the most beautiful Warp 30T charger. Now comes the time to see the IC Frosted Silver variant. I personally like this variant compared to the Glacier Blue one. Let me know what you think about it. I am personally in love with this one, how it looks. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. That was the phone. I don't want to share specification here in this video, as you can see it all by yourself in very detail in any website like this one, where you can also compare features with other phones to make the best buy for your needs. I'm having the link in the description if anyone wants to go and check. Now I wanted to tell you why I have bought this phone. Before this, I've been using the OnePlus 5T, and it's been a long time and I've been waiting for this one. I'll tell you why. When I bought OnePlus 5T, next option what I was going to buy, I was thinking about it, was this phone OnePlus 6. I didn't buy this one because of the bigger notch we are having in this phone, which I don't like it. So I decided to wait for OnePlus 60, and after a few months OnePlus 60 also comes. It comes with the smaller notch, which I liked it, but it was having the in-display fingerprint reader, something like this over here, but compared to fingerprint reader on the OnePlus 5T, it was very slow. So I decided to wait more, and then I was very surprised to see the OnePlus 7 coming with the same price and the smaller notch and faster in-display fingerprint reader. But yet, basically this launch was not meant for OnePlus 7, it was for the OnePlus 7 Pro. And then finally comes the time which I have been waiting for. All the features I have been looking, and I'm very happy to have this phone in this table, which comes with very small teardrop and also the in-display fingerprint reader and all the best features we know. Before ending this video, I just wanted to let you know that I was having one more option, that is OnePlus 8, which is going to be launched few months later, but it will be coming with the Samsung-like design with punch hole display, which I don't like very much, because what I think is, if they can create hole inside the screen, why can't they create at the corner of the screen, which is the best place I feel for the camera notch. Also, OnePlus 8 will be coming with the wireless charging. I do not know why people will like this slower wireless charging compared to the faster Warp 30T charger we are getting with the OnePlus 70. Anyways, let me know what you think about this, and we have reached the end of the content of this video. Hopefully see you next time if I get chance to create video like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.